So this is a Freightliner 2023 basically, and when I'm trying to start, I get this error right here, Stalk Switch Right Error, and my wipers are on and I just can't stop them at all basically. So having this error right here, I'm trying to start the engine but it just doesn't want to do it, and when I click on back, so this error disappears from my screen basically. Again, I try to start my engine and it says starter block, shift to neutral, but I'm shifted in neutral. So from what I read online, they're saying you gotta turn off the battery for like about 5 minutes from here, which I'm gonna do basically, and I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and see what happens.
5 minutes later.
So guys, after like 5 minutes plus, I'm gonna turn this on. Turn the batteries on again. Wait for a few seconds, get the key in the ignition and see what happens. It stopped doing that thing with the wipers, and I'm gonna try a start. Now it's working good, it's all good.